The one thing that I learned today was about the different types of Māori that we have across Aotearoa and the world. You have your traditional, you have your whānau who are making gains in different areas, and I see myself and my own whānau reflected in that as well. I think the main thing that I got out of this in terms of my knowledge increase in Te Tiriti is how everyone is wanting a better future for Aotearoa. The people in the workshop was what I learnt the most from, and the fact that there were Pākehā, Māori, non-Māori, and we were all really keen to see how Te Tiriti can grow and come together, and how we can work together for the betterment of Aotearoa. The one positive that I could pass on to another New Zealander about Te Tiriti is the fact that it's a document that can be innovated. It's true innovation. It's something that we as New Zealanders can show the world how we can lead as a nation for the future of our rangatahi and tamariki. It's been out of this world in terms of the manaakitanga, the experience that we've had in terms of the kai, the way that the team here have looked after us. It's been, as the host, as Microsoft hosting, it's been a beautiful experience working with Wolfgramm Holdings and the whānau. They just really took care of us. The kai has been out of this world. Thank you to Whaia, we love you, and yeah, the whole whānau. I would 100% recommend this Te Tiriti workshop because it's one that is values-based, it's one that comes from a positive mindset around the future, and just the inclusivity of it, how it pulls us together rather than pushes us apart, which is really the narrative that I think everyone needs to hear. So I just want to mihi to all of the people who helped make this happen, Wolfgramm Holdings, Brevis, Lindau, and everyone. Thank you.